A new history has just been created. The world's first agentic AI WordPress plugin is now live. Introducing Angie. And this agentic AI plugin's developer is Elementor, which is known best for their page builder and the world's best performance web hosting. If you go to their landing page, you will get some basic idea about the capabilities of this plugin. You can create any page, link to the menu, WooCommerce products management, find the best-selling products, etc. All are just by a chatting system, just like you are using ChatGPT. Here, they are claiming that you can easily update the hero image and run any discount or sales. Let's check this plugin now. Does it really work? Go to the admin dashboard and install the Angie AI plugin. After activating, you will find the plugin dashboard. You have to connect your Elementor account with your website. Just sign in to continue. I'm already logged into Elementor. You may be required to sign up or log into Elementor. Angie is connected successfully. It is showing some of its capabilities like setting the site title, adding posts, adding pages, installing theme plugins, etc. Let's start with a plugin. A sidebar will be opened. Let's say we need a dynamic pricing feature for WooCommerce. It suggests a plugin name and asks for permission to install and activate that plugin. I confirm. It says successfully installed and activated that plugin. Let's check if it's really true. Yes, it really installed. So it's no longer hard to find the perfect plugin for your WordPress. Just say what you need, and this agentic AI will find the perfect plugin for you. Let's do another test. Going to posts. See, I have some posts published here. For me, it's only 3, but I know my viewers have hundreds and thousands of posts like this. And you know when a year passes, we all make manual changes of this year. We remove the past year and replace the new year. Let's see if the Angie AI can do that task for us. Click on the toggle button or this floating icon, and the Angie sidebar will be opened. Now write the instructions shortly, then press enter. After the job is done, the page will be reloaded automatically. See, these post titles have been changed. These are now replaced with 2026. The accuracy level is very impressive. Let's say we need a privacy policy page, and we will set that in the header menu. Remember this current menu, there is no privacy policy page now. Now come back to the Angie AI agent and type what I want. It started processing. Once done, the page reloaded. Let's check the homepage menu. See, a privacy policy page is created and added to the menu. See their created privacy policy page. It looks too brief, but follows proper structure. If you want a more precise privacy page, then you should give more in-depth page details, like what your company or website is about, word limit, etc. As this agentic plugin is in beta version, it's still learning the processes, so you should test this plugin now and keep exploring. Also, you can find out its capabilities from here. And the best part is that this premium-looking WordPress plugin has a free version, 900 credits per day for free users, which is pretty good for most of us. So what are you waiting for? Install this plugin and make your daily tasks easier.